Well, hey guys, today in class we were talking about gas laws. This is the video I was trying to find for you. So let me run it and I'm going to talk about it as it runs, okay? So what you're looking at right now is just the top part of a really long glass tube and has a funnel in the top of it, and there's water in the funnel. Then that glass tubing goes down probably about 3 feet or so into a flask that is over a heat source. There's a burner at the bottom of it, and that's full of water. This is a model of how a geyser works. So what you're going to see first is the actual geyser going off. So here we go. Okay, now you noticed how as there was a point where the water in the tube all of a sudden began to get pushed out the top of the funnel. In a geyser, the reaction that takes place that causes that to happen is called the flash point. The flash point is the temperature at which the water, which is a liquid, changes into a gas. When water changes from a liquid into a gas, it actually takes up 1,500 times the amount of space that it was as water when it becomes gas. So imagine a drop of water that all of a sudden takes up the space of a huge balloon. Now what you're seeing just there was the water inside of the flask as it's beginning to boil. Think again about what we talked about today. As temperature increases, then the other two variables, both volume and pressure, are also increasing. So the water's taking up more space and it's under more pressure. Because there is water on top of this flask full of water pushing down at the bottom, something's going to give. Just like when the bulb of the baby bottle burst today because of the pressure that was inside of it, something has to give in this system as well. Remember in the cans that we were heating on the burner in class, there was an opening at the top. So as the water boiled, the water had some place to go when it changed into a gas. Here, that's more restricted because you've got this long tube of water that's holding down that water underneath that's changing in from a liquid to a gas. And again, when that flash point occurs, when there's enough heat energy to change that water from liquid to a gas, that volume has to go somewhere, and in the case of a geyser, it goes up the tube and out the top. Now watch. There, that gas is expanding, and the volume's increasing, and then it's coming out of the top of the funnel. So that's another illustration of those gas laws, okay? Hopefully that makes sense. Thanks.